Hello everyone, I will be presenting my lesson plan on a unit focused on anatomy and physiology. The lesson itself will be focused and directed towards animal growth process. What better way than to celebrate the Easter season than to hatch baby chicks? This will be a lesson for an Animal Science 101 class. Ninth grade usually is the introductory Animal Science 101 class at a high school. So with the school permitting, of course, we will be hatching our own baby chicks. If not, then we will buy the baby chicks through a contractor, through the school, somewhere local. Once I have my class together, I will be assigning jobs to several different students. There will be one student responsible for updating the Google slide every day because it will be uploaded on our TV screens for us to view and discuss the different weight gains, how well the chicks are growing, and then we will be able to discuss the prenatal and postnatal nutrition. At this point, I will bring up Padlet and ask a question similar to where does the chick get the nutrients it needs to grow while it's still in the egg. The next question I would ask would be, where does the chick get the nutrition it needs when it's hatched? At this point, after we've reviewed everybody's answers, discussed it, collaborated on it, then we will be discussing malnutrition, how malnutrition affects the growth cycle, and eventually, long-term, how malnutrition affects the reproductive system. At this point, I will bring up quizzes, and we will be doing a few questions on that just to get a little bit more interaction with them on that subject. The last topic we'll be discussing is the hereditary mechanisms of the growth cycle, primarily how the parents are going to affect the offspring. So this is going to lead into a very basic genetics overview, how genotype, phenotype, is going to affect the chick itself. At this point, I will bring in Punnett squares, which is the basic figuration on how to find out the percentages of what the chick is going to be, what percent of the chick is going to be like its parents. So a great example that I've always used is your parents. Take the hair color, eye color of your mom, hair color, eye color of your dad, do the Punnett square, and see what percentage you made up of. So after this is all, we will wrap up with a 5-question assessment evaluation at the end that will be submitted through Google Classroom. With the ag classrooms, I know that they don't really have as much technology as everything, so if I get to that point, we will just work with what we got in the ag classroom. So that is all. Thank you.